Start ka koi ka kia ru kila ya kila ikren na kila pathai ku boda bo ang ba lakum no ni kunyang jing pang desi un saja no ha punai September desi un seduna no ndai kumolong mata kam ik ba kata ka jing ong jong ki kam sin na trekam pipi la ban unsai dam lo ni pang
hot kaba ngiu I ka compare how ni kunyang compare ki kunyang jing pang kum ki virus Pi minsim apa kau meeting kong how 9 December kum tu ke meeting kong ha China. But hakatu ka jaka ka ba ngi sem kong itu kunyang ru ka dei ka por tlang he. Mo ka dei jaka ba khriat tam. Hakatu ka por. Te di China por hakatu ka por tlang, but hakatu ka por ngi kin mau ka Australia por tlang jungi sini ka Australia ka dei hakapor liur. Mo te udan lang sipo Australia tingin patla ban penyedai kaya yauni kunyang jempang coronavirus dan COVID-19 bat ka temperature. Patla ban hoj uyap haka high temperature more than 27 degree ni more than 27 degree centigrade u ayam. Henry bat ka temperature bat ka sun beneng pada 4 dadon kata ka studies ban ong ba unyap hakapor telang.
Chuban ya kataru ngide man kenbang ba uniu de virus wat mai kenyang jingpang wat mai de ka behavior jong ni virus su ngiru ngidang ya study ngidang ya pet te ya kata ka jing keli ka fibu ma firu ka balong valid ba jing sisa ula de banduna ka ne ka por ndrei ngi I ba kamdan kata ka jing tuna ndrei kadang saprang ndrei kani ka jing saprang ngila ban tem ni ka jing saprang ladang ngida ngi ada ye la de ba kita ki jing ada ki lightly na do ni kong kemas social distancing, kanika physical distancing, but kanika hand sanitization. Kini lightly gini kijing ada, kiba kong san, kiba don't come tam. To nakal yang jadi itu. Okay, bagus je.
Saya ingin tu. Kuaman betul lang. Dulu yang COVID-19 rumit dapat. Ulong kenyang virus ubah ginde kentup lang bagi virus bakta iki ya kasedam gi ulong ngila ban group ki kum kini ki respiratory viruses ginde pet baro gini ki respiratory unlike ki jingpang ki bakham pun ke bagi kita polio kini ki respiratory viruses kum ki influenza ki other respiratory viruses ru ka incidence ki ka kam kio ki portalang. That is one common factor jong COVID-19, but the rest of the respiratory viruses, they hold. Actually, as a matter of fact, we are expecting the cases cases may rise in winter because these are all respiratory viruses. They tend to, the incidence tends to increase during winters.
Cases kin kio kini ki benai telang. Drai kamtam shangi kini ki jaka kriat manus nem yo iya bangi sumar ginong pang. Te kiba sitam ha portalang ki khamjur wat lada laban ong ba ngi expect ngi ong ba laban khamduna ka jing bon jong ki kes ndai na ki kes ki ba wan pat kumba ki long ya ki we ki jing pangru ngi expect ban ngi lada semru yang menta ba ki ba wan ha portalang ki khamjur khamtam ha ki temen bat ki brio ki ba don lupa ki we ki jing pang le Kisin ba kriat ka sun beneng ma ba kriat ka weather bangi ang te complications jong ka jing stom kum ka shock hypothermia ba hiar ka BP ka ba hiar ka jing saat jong brio kata bro ka penlong ba kan kam jur shu ka jing stom ban ya ki brio ki ban ya lada uju brio stom ha portalang te kadai ka ba ang so DHS ba Kabadon kam hi kedai wej ba nginde ban ya ban kiar hi kat bala ba nginum yo hi tau jingpang ban ni ka ba perkhat balai kabun ha ka por balai ka dangdon ha ka por telang.
From my side, I would like to know the preparation of the state for this vaccination program and how far can this vaccine help to stop the spread of COVID-19.
But with regards to vaccine, now we have to understand that a vaccine is not a cure. Vaccine will help to prevent. Okay, as of now, we have, there are currently, there are only 4 vaccines that have crossed what we call as a phase 3 trial, where it has been done on human subjects. So just to go back, I may sidetrack a bit. Now, when we are developing a vaccine, say, when we look at H1N1 or when we look at the SARS or MERS, the actual development of a vaccine actually takes 3 to 4 years. Okay, we are now just 10 months into COVID-19. It's been a tremendous effort from all the researchers around the world to actually come up with 4 different types of vaccines actually from all corners of the globe. So within a period of 10 months. Now these vaccines in their trials we all know the 4 of them. One is the Moderna vaccine, one is the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine, then we have the University of Oxford, which is the same as the AstraZeneca, and also the Bharat Serum, which is being made in India. And the last one is the Sputnik 5 vaccine. So these are the 4 vaccines that have crossed phase 3. That means they've been tested on an appreciable number of human beings to looking at the efficacy, the side effects. So with regards to efficacy, almost all the vaccines show a similar level of efficacy of almost 94 to 95%. Now, when we look at efficacy of the vaccine, since we are just 10 months into the disease, we don't have any long-term data. To have a robust data to be able to share with you, we actually need to follow up vaccine development for a minimum of 3 to 4 years to have that really robust data where we can say whether the vaccine is actually effective or not. But based on the limited number of, based on these 10 months of research, what we've seen is that most of these vaccines are 94 to 95% effective in, what they mean by efficacy right now is that after getting the adequate doses of vaccine, for these vaccines, the course is usually, it differs from one vaccine to another, but generally you need 2 doses, at least 3 weeks apart. And then the effect of the vaccine, the protective effect of the vaccine usually starts at least 2 weeks, minimum 2 weeks after your second dose. So when we look at efficacy, that means after the second dose of the vaccine, after 2 weeks after the second dose, you have almost a 94 to 95% chance that if you were to get COVID-19, that it will not manifest any symptoms. You will not manifest any symptoms or signs, because that is how we've measured efficacy of these vaccines, in the sense that we've looked at how much of antibodies these vaccines are generating and compare them with those patients who have already recovered from COVID-19. So we are seeing that 95% of the people the vaccines are able to induce the body to produce a fairly adequate amount of protective antibodies. So that is the efficacy of the vaccine that we are talking about. So it is not a cure. We have to be very mindful that vaccines is not a cure. As of now, there is still no cure. There's no definite anti-COVID-19 medication, drug, vaccine, or anything that is there as such. So with regards to cure, definitely this is not. Now, we would have all read in the papers that there are among these vaccines. Now, when it comes to side effects, there's a lot of fear of side effects among these vaccines. That's the most important thing. Now, yes, that is definitely a gray area, because we don't have the long-term data to support, to see the evidence of any long-term side effects of these vaccines. As of now, within 10 months, almost all the vaccines have, even the vaccines which are, say, let's talk about the vaccines which are not COVID, we all have seen side effects. Somebody will have fever and this and that. So these kind of side effects are still common. In fact, among the major side effects we've seen with the University of Oxford vaccine is that there has been one case of transverse myelitis. That means there's a paralysis of both the lower limbs because of the vaccine. But that has been only one case in more than 50,000 of people who have been vaccinated. So even the FDA and the FDA still have not considered that to be a major adverse effect, because only one reported case. Now with the Pfizer vaccine, which has been approved in the UK, even after they've started inoculating people in the United Kingdom, they have found that there's been a new incidence of Bell's palsy. Now Bell's palsy, we don't know, which is a partial facial paralysis. They still aren't able to actually directly attribute Bell's palsy with the vaccine. It just so happens that after they've been vaccinated, they develop Bell's palsy. Whether that is a direct association because of the vaccine is still not known. So these are what we call possible adverse events or side effects that we're seeing with these vaccines. But again, we don't have any long-term data to give a strong recommendation that yes, these vaccines have side effects, these vaccines don't have. But with regards to efficacy, almost all of them are quite efficacious. The only, if we were to put it, the only dubious vaccine would probably be the Russian vaccine, because the number of patients in which they were tested is far less compared to the other 3 vaccines.
What I could understand again from doctor, he had said like there's a possibility of a side effect. So my question is this: are these health workers who are going to be vaccinated? Are they going to be insured?
See, as of now also, all the health workers, frontline workers, are insured to the tune of 50 lakhs. So now, any new medicine which comes in the market, any new vaccine, there's always a possibility of side effects. No medicine is devoid of any side effect. Now, when a vaccine comes in, the purpose of the vaccine is to protect. And we believe that our government has put in all out efforts to protect. So we believe in that protection rather than the complication of the vaccine. The protection is more important of the vaccine rather than the complication.
Go around most of the marketplaces, or you go to the rural areas, or even if you attend weddings, I've seen, right? People are becoming more complacent, right? They are thinking that this virus is not going to affect them, because if we look at the data also, we have seen that more than 80% are asymptomatic. But again, if you look at the other side, right, it's the elderly who are mostly affected. And if you see the mortality data, more than 10% of the cases who have died are among the elderly. So if we want to stop the transmission of the disease, we want to stop our elderly being affected, I think it should be a collective responsibility of everyone. And we all know that this virus is transmitted only through droplets, right? So in order to prevent that, we need to wear masks, as DHS has said, wash our hands, and always maintain physical distance.
Kati hapo ka jungi ba nginya buram yaiwe. Takadaw kasami kato kajingong nakaliang government kenya ladi ba filong u positive case. Lada fi kenya ladi ba filong u positive case pila banyada yakiwe. Padi kajing deng mas kani kawai. Kaba ngayo sko ye kani hi na I menteri rang ba badon buram jungi iba ongi kani kawai. He said this: you wear mask is not that because you're only protecting yourself. You're wearing mask because you have a respect for the other person away from you. Ngidangi ki mas namar bangi buram yaki wei ki badan hacan jongi. Ngibut perking yaki ei kicing peta ki bangi ai namar ba ngikwa ban buram. Dengan ai fi kani gawai ka exam kani gawai kan uksa. Menci sing yang don wei bakhlat. Hapot dalu uni bakhlat udai ubadan kajingpang yap chiliang. We had one death day before, which we had given the information to the media. And this particular person who had passed away, very unfortunate, he was a hemiplegic. He had been a hemiplegic, udan kajingpang yap chiliang nado arhaja khat sahung. Julai lay. Usumar biang-biang, haying ruk sumar biang-biang. Tika kim ngilong biyaiban barbor ba uniuk nyang jingpang habau yo bandrung hapo kito ki badang kham samla ki baklan gamet kafat kam dan kita takadang isong asymptomatic but symptomatic. But ini ide ibam laban mi sabar laban yachu dan be hajentia ndre por ngile ka active surveillance ni test ya ini ni yo positive kumba shtarik u jongu December ni positive I kendai terik iklan no. Nadu ar hajar khat sao, hadu ar hajar arho, lele. Tang sitip sya ba ilong positif, kemudian kajing ketak kalak ketak ke yang hibrok we. Hadu kajing sumari iru. Bat nangilai wat banyak ba kumnu ni beriu bamjumi na yeng. Ula ban yo yo ni khnyang jingpang. Dei nu khun. Ukhun uyat keleng-keleng, umi keleng-keleng, syang keleng-keleng. Dei nau khun umdan semtam umdan e khun, ndei khnyang jingpang udan hau. Upoi hayeng, ubyo ni kpa tang hapo kendai sni uklat. Dikidau jong kajing klat kidi gibabon. Kamdei tang nu ni khnyang jingpang. Kadau sya ka baning kong kajing sumari u. Waila ong positif kemat kajing ting kadang dani wan sumar. Temanta ngiwan salai teli kalau poi ke Christmas ngiwan salai teli gi. We have 3 things. That is 3 C's. Close spaces, crowded places, and close contacts. Yakini ngi haban avoid menta. Na takadau sami ke SOP play I mene bala ong ba nimla banyat karal. Kini 3 C's now. Close spaces, crowded places, and close contacts. Kini horkit hordang ngidei ban kiar. We have to avoid these 3 so that we get a peaceful Christmas, happy Christmas, and a new year, a bright new year, where we are definite. We are definite. From India, I think they have gone far ahead to develop a vaccine. Once we get the vaccine, we will see. We'll know. We'll get the protection. As Dr. Nongpure and Dr. Rajiv had already said, how long this protection will be there, that we will leave it to the wisdom of our scientists, of our learned doctors, on how long this protection will be for us. But as of now, what we need is to contain this pandemic. And to contain this pandemic, whatever comes in our way, which is beneficial to us, we will grab it.
Kidon bun kijing subas neu na ki babun balang ki ba nong song snong ki ong ba larang idon ki nong pang hayeng kamtam ki reutemen ki bala don jing pang pa ki tieng ban lech sagi jaka sumar namar habakut en penkut yaki ba kidei ki bayo pang yeu ni uknyang jing pang covid khat khandai te ka ei ka jing ya pher ka ba ki doktor ki lap hang to ban pensisya ba kita ki breu balaran jing pang pa ki don ita iwe dak isin ban pentikna ba idei bayo pang covid khat khandai
kadai ka ba pi ong ma pi ba bun nangilay ngim ba pajba hi umetre asyo banwan cha hospital wat lada kadawa yaki banwan na kadaw jong kiwe ki jingpang bagidan kata it's accepted kala kadai ka balong ka baja shisha kala jana do April kadang jah do menta kata ni number 1 then number 2 pat ngasukwa ban yathu ba phinda pej ya ka jinglong ni jing sitam omdai tang hang ni rei keleng satlak jong ka perthai habaya dei bot u COVID-19 but habaya dei bat kiwe ki klam ki bola julong haki por ki bal haki snem ki spa snem ki bola dep ni shemba ki hospital ki dei ki jaka ki ba kham khoj bani ka yo ka hat bani ka jaka ki madan ki ba bon breu namar balai hisien balawan apa hospital la don lupa ka jing tiang ka mas la strict bro khoj ki dei bendeng mas kat sheba phai man ka jaka ba man ka kendong ki don ki sanitizer la thau jing shit ya borok ki barung hapo ki wash basins ki bon but ki patrai hang tu ki dei ki brio ki ba ngi hikai na kapor sa kapor kumno ban le ya ki ban ya da ya ladi but ya da ki weiru ha ka jo kapor ka jing senret ya gini ki disinfectant ka ba pun khoj ya ka mariang ka pun khoj ki kenro ya ki biar ya ki madan barok khoj ka kham le bnia haki hospital te kabaning kong do banong ba kadon ke jingtieng habawan sha hospital yo na hospital kamtam haba la da pen kre paka lada kat kum balabot kat kum ki protokol jong ka state jong ka government but ha ka ba ngi yadai bat ka jing sistem klam kamut ka ba ka pandemic ka balalong community acquired kalau dan community spread te ha jing si shahi ki hospital ki dangdai ki jaka ki ba kham khoj bat ki jaka ki ba kham long safe ya ki brio ba kinwan ban ya ka balet shayau shahat man ya balet ki jaka ba bun brio tadi ka number 1. Number 2, pendapet yang kejing long jong new jing sitom, nado pas sedang hadu menta, dan re kata kedak mensuong baik kani kedai ke COVID-19 season pack. Kamut kampau kedak haka seni do, kampau kedak haka X-ray, kampau haka ke basula ong baik spesifik berkedai gini. Hendrai majority kamut palat kendai po 100% na kinong pang kibapang COVID symptomatic ngong ma. Ia symptomatic lagi nom ya keren. Kata lagi kemud ba pinum pim sungguh tu hi, syuk tamat tapan belum lah. Kata lagi jong. Ya kibuan symptomatic kendai persen kin don jingshit, berapa persen kin don jerho. But kin kamduna kin don sekejing dap sedem, kejing kata met kata pat. Kin don kibaong ba kijak ya kejing sma, kim sungguh tu syuk kejing sma, buat kim sungguh tu syuk kejing mat, jong kejing bam, jong ki jing mat jong kebam. Te ki sitom hakata kadur. Te ki bawan ru kila banwan kum ke bayong klik badak su sedang melumala. But ki don ki bawan hadu ba kalalong kum bang yong ARDS kemud keladai last stage of a respiratory infection. Kemud na ki jingpang pneumonia ki kenja pneumonia bar khoj ki wan hadu dala jan kun. Dala sitom Te kata kedai kawai ke ba penlong yaki ka ba kumno ni kunyang jingpang upen pau ya lade haka hau brio. Tadi kawai. Te number 2, kaba compare yung kunyang bat kiwai gijat jing sitam, kata banong ba ban ya tip banong ban ya detect pajba, mut banginyawat pajba halaki jong ki yeng kisam ngilahi tang ba wat la kataru ban la pura ka khamjenjar. Nomor ban kiwai ki kunyang kani ke jing sitam kadon kawai ka jinglong jong ka ba ki brio ki ba ke oksigen ke ba kiring mensiam kamrung sa kasnam kibai jing pangru ki don ki balong kumta ndrai sisian ba kamrung ba ke oksigen sa kasnam lada dai ke pneumonia ke ba siyo abor menchwa dadai kata kamut daduna oksigen tang melumala oksigen saturation ke bang yong daduna tang melumala ru ngila sutu ngila sudap sedam ngila sutaj ngila soleng ting ki brio kim tip brio shu kila keren klumar Henry habaya day bat COVID-19 kata ngimyoi. Te kadon something bangiong silent hypoxia. Kemud ki brio ki tangan ya ke oksigen. Kim yo ke oksigen ke baka don kam kamet. Henry kamet pat kampen pau ba ngadon kam oksigen. Te namar kataru bon kinong pang ki kain sting ya la ka jongka jingstong. Kain ba o ngasu don jingshit. Ngajar ho melumala ngadap sedem Henry ngampat sungtu papang. Te kat ba kindala sungtu ba kapang ke oxygen saturation kila don ki ba poi hospital kelap jaka bakan don 96-97% haki kala don stang 37%. Te kata kala long ke ba ke ba jenjar yang ginong sumar lada kilawan haki dalawan hak condition ke bala hamlong serious. Te ngasrai ngala jubab ya kita ki arteli ki point ba ngopi ban summarize kawai kedai Omdai bantiang banwan siki hospital. Nomor pendapet ya ke statistics mencim snap. Apo ri India jongi. Kibayap na kejingpang sini, na kejingpang BP, jingpang stroke, jingpang heart attack kila poi 50 million mencim snap. Mentau snap now COVID kila yap silak laipo hajar, laisan hajar kumta. Te kata ngelong umdai bungaong ba umdai bantiang yo COVID hendrai ngidai ban sung thu ba ngidon kiwi jing sitam ru kipit sitam kampalat syuk ban COVID te ban kiar ya ka jing ban kiar ban wanwat ke jing sumar na ki hospital halor ke ba nalor ba kamdai ke ban tiang ha bala pan khoj ha te ka long ke ba sngosi ngidu ai bon ki jing em ngiladu bon ki jing em na ka daw ba ki tiang ban wan hospital ki wan tang hadu hadendo.
Kai kadau bagi babon ki positive case apa mikalia kita ki asymptomatic ba kabapendong ki priu bagi nam tiang shu yu ni kunyang jingpang bagi khamtam sinong kendong ki ong bai bodai buyong kle ba ki lat ke ba katanat ka koi ka khia kan le Hamtam ha kini ki ayam diberi ki ayam lekmen Christmas pat sem tmai jong ki briu. Bagi briu kin so tho wa ni khunyang umpat ko thado menta.
Ni haban pensyaya pi baka PCR test ke bangile. Mo kata ka molecular diagnostic test that shows that a patient has COVID-19. Kani ka test it has certain limitations to it. Kini ki limitations ki long a person is PCR test can detect minute quantities of viral RNA, but it cannot differentiate whether the virus is infectious or not. That's why we will give you a positive case for COVID-19, but we are unable to tell you whether that person is infective or not. Nakataka daw piyo ikitukin. Kiba piyo positive, ti piya kali padekin. Kumno nga ngayo positive, imay klamiyo, ipay klamiyo, bahiyeng klamiyo ngedon lang. It's in probability, niyo COVID positive ito, he got a non-infective virus. Tiban kumno bangintip baki virus kilong infective ne kimlong infective. Kata ngi haban le viral culture. Ti ya kata ngimpot la ban le hang ni hapo state jungi. What hari India jungi ru namar ba kadika jet test kabakhamlong a little more difficult. It needs more technology is much more higher. We'll need a BSL-3 lab, which we do not have, and plus if we see that it's a pandemic, not every case can be taken and done for viral culture. Ti nakataka daw pidi man sungu thu ba ladangi ai COVID positive yapi. You may be infective, you may not be infective. That's why people can infect others, people not infect others. Pila ban ong banga shuya nga ki ai positive nga kham sungu i nga kham long i nga kham yo symptoms ngam doni i tika ta daw mo. The PCR tests are useful if you understand the limitations of the test.
Sepang ni kani kajingpang namar ki ong bun bagalong kum ka biong kli ha ka de kita. Tama bale ngi sawan da kini ki protokol ki SOP kan ni teli. Kawai ka jing fair ba unik nyang jingpang kalong tangga ni. Upur step ba. Bat lada upur ha ki bakhan gamet kam dan jikta. Kalong kan kum biong kli hendai lada upur ha ki bam khan gamet ki badan da ki wi jingpang ta kamot ka pencitam pada ki halor ki jingpang. Tiban ong ban le bam salia namar kalong kum ka jingpang biong kli haduk mentahi kampat dai kapor. Nginget bakalom ko biong kli bangi jam kloy dan ngi klan gamet ndai ka juk ko poru ngi pet ya ki jingja habaro ko ga perthai khamtam shagini giri bilat baka jingkta jong khnang jingpang bat ka jing yap jong gibreu kadai ka dak ka bubu jingkli yang ngi hang neru bat kadai ru ka jing maham ba kampat dai kapor ba ngin le bam salia ba ngin le kamkai yauni khunyang jingpang lada kadai kumtahi kalong ka jingpang bayang kli ya ki bakhlan to ka biang ngiru ngimrat dawan ban penmi dan ba ngin ekran spang ni khunyang jingpang dan ngin penmi gini ki SP kan teli ngin penmi gini ki adong kan fo teli sho lada nakaliang ka jongi ni soto ba kamdan jikta ndai bangile kini ki barkhat ni soto ba kadon jikta pada yaki wei ki patelot kamet dikumbo ngi doktor meban to yauni khang jingpang namaru pur stat ula ban kata ba yaki babon ki badan jingpang di ki wei pat ngi ang comorbidities ho ngi concentrate ba yauni ngi ai importance yauni khang jingpang ndai ka juk kapor ngim klet pada yaki wei ki badan ki wei ki jingpang hilai hi katus ngi ngilai i kini ki baradon lupa ka jingpang cancer haki kumno bau ni khunyang jingpang kata wei ki layo kamot kim shan dena takadau ngi song what can bam salia namar hot ki bakhlan gamet piang kadai kum ka piang ka jingpang biang kli ki bam khlan gamet pada te kalong palat ki jingpang biang kli
ki bri ki complain bawan rong sport ka still yang bang irung apa entry point yang ti dan ngi test yang ngi dak yaki dak rapid antigen test ki hablej bande i go home quarantine sung ba nyosngi ka ai pat ki pher ba ki tu ki bawan ra de ki report na ki antigen da ki sibanat test ini ki RT-PCR test kim don kam chu bande go home quarantine.
Rat test ka bopi ong fika rapid antigen test has a false negativity. More accuracy jong kani ka test kalong 50%. Only 50%. Nakataka daw, we asked them to quarantine for 7 days or whatever the state government is saying. This is because we want to slow down the spread of transmission. This allows for a person, if he is negative, he may show symptoms within 7 days. However, with the nucleic acid amplification test, that is the PCR test or the TrueNAT, CBNAT, whatever you're saying, these are true tests. That means they will detect the RNA virus if it is present, unlike rat test, which has very poor accuracy. That's why we say that home quarantine is necessary for at least 7 days.
Ngatrai kat kum ka jingpet jongi nadu ba sedang hadu menta hakini ki sngi ki bala adap ngi ba kila sedang dunahi ki case compared to the previous months tangba kumbang laong benne lada ngidang ya hensting but ngim follow ya ki protocols ki kendon ka ba ka sarkar ka bala kala bu we may expect a second wave.
When we talk about infections, we need to understand there are two things that is needed for an infection, someone to get infected or the disease to spread. One is people who can be infected, and one is people who can infect others. Right? Now what has happened, as I said, as we are discussing about, and there's been a lot of discussion, you would have heard about things like herd immunity, which has been discussed a lot. So in Meghalaya, the good thing has been that we have very little number of cases. We have been able to largely contain the spread into certain areas and not widespread as, for example, let's say in Delhi or some other place like that. But that also means that there are vulnerable people who can get infected, right? So if we loosen our guard, if we put our guard down, there's a possibility that again, there will be another thing. And that is what is happening also in some of the European countries. We are seeing that they decided to go back to completely normal life and then there has been a resurgence. So there is always a possibility. But as long as we follow our protocols and SOPs and we are maintaining the 3 norms like hand washing, maintaining the physical distancing and wearing a mask, I think we should be largely good.
Hatu kani kijing hiar jong kani ka klam kadai na kadaw ba sarkar ka klam tengshu ban le ka random test bat na kai kadaw ko sarkar ka klam le shu ka random test kham tam ha ki yau ki hat
hakini ki sngi mal adap kidon bun ki jaka ki bangi le ka random test but ngim shu le ya ka random test hakino kinu ki jaka ladangi yo ki cases ki ba palat laingot hadu khatsan ngot kamut lada kidon clustering of cases hapano kono ka area ni decide ban le ya ka random test te ngile kumno ngi identify ya ki breu ki ba long kam vulnerable ban yo ya ka infection kum ki bala kam yaw ka rata ki ba palat ya ka 100% ki badan kano ka symptoms lane ki high risk contact ni identify kum kita bat ngi test ya kum kita hi namar ngiu iba menen ru ngidang sula random test mentas ngiru ngilale random test sya kidon ki area kum sya madan rating arpusan ngot ngila random test bro arpusan ngot hi ki test negative te ngatharai ka infection kala kham dunahi but ki positive case ki bangiyo ki dai tang ki tu ki badan link but ki bala positive lupa ki high risk contacts tang hakitahi ngidang yo positive cases
nakaba ngila yo iba ngila sumara ginong pang tabanai ngi syamba ki brio jongi kila ban yele persya ya ka jing stop kabamut wat du jing kermen babon ki bawan wat ki temen prapu saus nem praphos nem ki brio ki badon tor tang siliang ki badon sini ki badon cancer leukemia ki ba layo stroke ru kidon kita babon balang hi ki koi te nakaliang jongi ki ba yo ihi ya ki nongpang ba yo ihi bada sumar hi bada yo i markhamat igi nongpang ke jingkerpat nakaliang jongi kalong number 1 ki brio jongi ki don ya kata ka jingele nalade ba kamet jongi kadang la ban le persya number 1 number 2 wat judo jingkermen but number 3 ke bang yo i kalong smau bha wan kloy chaki hospital da pipang om dai ban le ran namar kam dai ke jingle bakla haba piyo pang covid amdan balik bakala amdai baka pop jengno kadai ke jing sistem ke bayabet shu tak kendiat la yabet te jaka ban le ran banong ngang don covid ngidai ban wan chakmat banong ladang ngadon jing per sobha lada long ban tes le lada dei ban tes udut tenang ba ki jing ai sumar jing sumar ngin yo ban le kloy te kata hi ke bang isyam ha ki jaka bang sumar ya ki brio ki bawan kham kloy ka kham suk ban sumar bani ki brio ki bawan kham slap te kata ni lang pa ban bless you.
Again, it'll depend on the type of mask. There are certain those high-end, heavy N95, N99 respirators. Kito, you advise 6 to 8 hours, and that is for a healthy person. Ye kito lagi badan kibla adon sistem lagi kesadem, kibla adon maybe asthma or COPD lele, bala khamtrat ke bor sadem juga la khamtrat. Then for them, it is advisable that the moment they feel slightly breathless, remove the mask. Remove the mask, but again, if you have to remove the mask, do not do so in a public place. Be alone. Make sure that you are following all other protocols of hygiene. You sanitize your hands before you touch your mask and all. But for the normal 3-ply and all, there's no clear-cut guidelines as to how long. As long as you're comfortable, you can wear it. But you should discard your mask, especially if they are single-use masks. Discard the mask when they're visibly soiled, both from the inside, maybe you're soiled with jinkarkha or your saliva or anything, or they're soiled from outside. Then if they're soiled, you have to discard away your mask.
Naka jing pe jing po hospital ro. Lada dai hiba naka jing duna jong ka test ke kes ki drop ngin jendela yo bon ka jing yap ro. Bon ki be kun jendal shu yap hayeng kum to kaman test. Rekat ki test nomor sin bon ra broad dead. Ki bon ra ki bala yap pan yeng ki bon ra hangi kendian ngut ki don ki balong positif henry ki bon hi ki ba long negatif wan mantan ngadang simi na hospital mantan syam nganon sini ro dami na hospital one broad dead kude negatif mo tengi tes hi kini ki broad dead den lada dei hi ba ki yap ki covid patient hayeng ngindela jendela yo bon ki broad dead cases kan ki positif na sai ka tu ka indicate kendiat ba ngim ka dead rate hi ka tuna